I'm going to be putting in a low voltage mounting plate into the drywall so I can connect a cable plate to it. This mounting bracket has 4 holes so I can mark the wall, and those are going to be the corners of the hole that I'm going to cut out. The front tab of this bracket will set on the outside of the drywall, and we'll turn these 2 tabs on the inside, and this will lock it in place behind the drywall. When you're picking a spot for your bracket, use a stud finder to avoid a stud behind the wall. For this project, I'm going to use a level on this cover plate because we're setting it right next to this to make sure that I have this plate at the same height. Now I'm going to mark the 4 corners of my opening. You can score the outline of your opening first with a razor knife, and that's going to make it easier to cut through the drywall. I'm going to use a drywall saw to create my opening. I would punch a small hole into the center of the opening just to make sure there's no wires or anything in your way, and just go in about a ½ an inch so you don't damage anything behind the drywall. Once we push the bracket into the opening, we'll use a screwdriver to turn the tabs and lock them in from behind. I'll attach my cable to the back of the cover plate and then screw it to the bracket.